We all know that there's no force stronger than what's going on in a woman's body when she's pregnant, and it's great. Miracle of nature. So in terms of treatment, I wouldn't go and say, okay, let's treat your PCOS now. You're pregnant, let's treat your health during pregnancy, because yes, it will sort a lot of things out. It'll even sort the cycle out sometimes in terms of the body realizes that it's got this other job. You've never done it before, especially if it's your first pregnancy. And the body says, okay, instinctively, I know what to do. The placenta grows. There's a whole bunch of stuff that happens in terms of the placenta and hormones and everything like that. So the polycystic ovarian syndrome sort of takes a back seat. And I just treat the person in pregnancy to help make their pregnancy safe, successful, comfortable, all the things that we do, taking away everything from morning sickness to pain to frustration, fatigue, any kind of imbalance that's going on, we help with. And I love doing that.